Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing on this box. Got this from a buddy of mine named Josh Young. He runs the PNW 4Runner connection on Facebook. I believe he also has a website and a business. He has an actual business. We're going to take this apart, take it out of the box. It should be the 2000 Toyota 4Runner Limited 4x4 roof rack and rear hatch deflector, mounts, screws, and everything. So please stick around, check out the video, and I will see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and gals. So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So this is one of two packages I got from a buddy of mine. There's the other package right there. This is the one we're going to be doing the video on for today. This is going to be an unboxing. We're going to take it out. More than likely, I'm also going to show you where it goes and install it, more than likely. But Josh Young is a buddy of mine. He runs PNW 4Runner Connection. He has his own website. He does restore 4Runners. I asked him if he had some items I needed. I'm pretty sure this should be the cargo net. And their cargo nets are very hard to find. As well as it should be the cleats, and this should be the darker brown instead of the tan. Because I told him I wanted the darker brown instead of the tan. The Limited didn't have the cargo net in the rear. It actually didn't have quite a few things, but oh, so this actually is not the cargo net. This is actually the... So I'm gonna have to make sure I let you guys know in the video description. This is actually the roof rack. I technically thought the roof rack was gonna be in the bigger box. So this is the roof rack. It is not. It's not the cargo net. It's not just the roof rack, but it's also the the rear deflector on the tailgate as well. So here's the deflector that goes on the the back door. Okay, this box is empty. There's nothing left in here but packaging. So here is the deflector. This piece right here is the metal deflector that goes onto the top of the hatch. And then the rest of this. So this should be the mount. These are the mounts for the deflector guard. We did send a couple stickers as well, which is awesome. This should be all the mounting hardware for the roof rack. And here's all the side panels for the roof rack. And I'm gonna end up cleaning these up, lightly sanding them a little bit, and repainting them, cleaning them up. So these are the corner pieces. You have your three center rails, and these are the rails that bolt to the truck on the sides. So it's nice, very, very nice condition. What I'm going to be doing is he only charged me 30 bucks for this. 35 bucks exactly for the deflector. I told him I would take it anyways. Don't necessarily need the deflector, and I don't need the deflector mounts. Well, actually, these mounts will come in handy because the mounts on mine are pretty rotten. But the deflector isn't really needed, but for 35 bucks with the mounts, not a bad deal at all. And the roof rack on the Limited, so I'm not going to end up showing this installed, but I'll show you. I'll take you guys outside and I will show you why I picked up a roof rack. And who knows, maybe down the road I will take it off. So the reason I purchased the roof rack was because this one, it does have the crossbars, but it's missing the front and rear caps. It's basically connived together. It's not original. And I want this, it's hard to see. Bring you guys over here. They put a steel bar on here that's turning to rust. This bar right here, this rectangular bar, doesn't belong here. And there is a little bit of rust and scratches on the roof, which is fine. It's not a big deal, but it doesn't have those triangular caps on here, and a portion of it's missing. It's supposed to go all the way back here. So those triangular caps that I just showed in the video, those are missing. Lots of things are missing from this. Lots and lots of things are missing. And these aren't even original. And all these bolts are rusted pretty bad. I'm not really sure why this plate is here. It's on both sides. The plate is on that side as well. And these little caps right here are missing on that end. And I'll just step down and show you guys. See, they're missing on this end. And I'm gonna take these bars off because they don't belong. This is what it's supposed to look like. That's what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to have these here, one on this side, these two end caps, one on each end. And there's not supposed to be a single bar. See, there's no metal bar right here at all. And you know, these tie downs are supposed to be here. It looks like it only has what, one or two of the tie down. Yeah. So it's got the tie downs, a couple of them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this rack off. I'll paint it. I'm gonna paint that rack. And I'm gonna keep this one that's on the truck as a spare. For parts, because it's missing most of the parts anyways. And we're gonna install this one. So looks like everything is actually here. The end caps, the tie downs, even the twist locks and everything are in here. So the rack that's on the truck is missing these, and this baggie also has the little tie down locks that go in here as well. So, you know, I only paid, say it was $150 total with shipping for the rack. It was like $125 and then $25 in shipping, which isn't too bad, especially coming from Washington State to Arizona. And this guy was 35 bucks. And this, he threw it in here, so the shipping for the deflector was basically free, or you can split the $25 between both items. But it's in great condition. These are the two main rails that go on the truck. I'm gonna end up painting everything. These are I think the main flats. Let me go look. I think the top and the rear main flats, if I remember correctly. I don't think this one has them. The one that's on the limited. I don't think it has them. Nope. So I'm pretty sure those two wider pieces go at the top. No. Those two wide pieces are for the triangulars. So those two wide pieces that I just showed you are these guys right here. So these attach to these mounts. So that's the two for those. It looks like all the hardware is there. You know, the paint on the SR5 is flaking off. You know, it happens. I'm gonna end up painting it, cleaning everything up, kind of sanding it a little bit, painting it black. Probably gloss black, just because I like the gloss black. Who knows, maybe I'll do a matte satin finish black or something like that, but I honestly thought this smaller box was the cargo cover, to be honest. So, looks like this one possibly is the cargo cover. I could be wrong. I obviously was wrong. I thought this was cargo cover. I just will have to, it'll end up being a surprise to you guys. But it's just a quick video, so these pieces right here go here. So I'll put the camera down. So these attach like this. Like that. So they attach just like this, and you can't mess them up. It won't go in the other direction. So this one, more than likely, goes here. Yep, just like that. So I'm going to clean these up. These are just bolted in with a couple screws, but you know, all of this needs to be cleaned. You know, it's a complete roof rack. At least it will look original, not kind of messed up and screwed up. It looks like somebody took bits and pieces off of that truck. The roof rack, maybe the portion of it broke and they just repaired it by putting other parts on it. I don't know. But need to get because here's the end caps right here. These little knobs actually go in here. They actually go in like that. That's how those mount. They just slide in, and then you can tighten this down with the knob. You got your pressure knobs. You have your little tie down hooks, latches. You know, and all of this I can clean up. You know, here's like the screws right here. So these all can be cleaned up, and everything can be nicely painted and installed. You know, these just clean this up, get all the nasties off of them, and then start painting the plastic, and then start painting the metal pieces. Make sure everything goes together all right. But you know, it's just a quick video, guys. I thought this was going to be the cargo cover, but I was wrong. You know, we all make mistakes. Yeah, my guess was wrong. I had no idea which box was what. I didn't expect the boxes to be. I expected the longer box to be this, but you know, it was broke down, so it is actually a lot smaller. So it does make sense why the longer box is the cargo net, but you know, it happens. Hopefully this video is informative. If you guys want to see, you know, me painting this up, or you guys want to see anything to do with the roof rack, let me know. More than likely, I'm not going to record anything for the roof rack. I'm just going to install everything and get it painted and be done. But it's a complete roof rack, and bonus, I got a deflector for pretty decent, cheap. Josh is a great guy. I will try to leave a link to his website down below, and if I forget to leave a link to his website, just please leave a comment if you guys are interested in his website. You can also find him on Facebook. His name on Facebook is Josh Young. He's a great guy. You can also go check out his website through his Facebook. I'll try to leave at least his website if you guys want to go check him out. Maybe there's something that you might need. He does salvage 4Runners, take parts off of 4Runners. He also restores 4Runners. Lots of awesomeness. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. I gotta get this cleaned up and ready for install. Probably not gonna do it this week. Probably gonna just leave it, put it back in the box for a couple weeks. Still not feeling very good, especially from the truck accident, but this is an OEM original roof rack. So you got your 3 crossbars, these 2 top bars, the bigger cleats that hold these wider crossbars at the top, and then you have your 2 main rails that mount to the roof. You can also install, some people install those cargo boxes on top of these roof racks. Some people remove the roof rack and install the cargo box directly to the body of the truck. It's all up to you guys what you want to do. I want to at least put this on there for now. At least I have it if I need it. I do plan on putting some overlanding equipment on the limited 4x4. So there's possibility this roof rack's going to come off eventually anyways. But that's all I got for you guys today. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!